Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tomato chutney.
It's a quick recipe. This chutney is very delicious when served along with Vadai, Idli and Dosa. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 4 chopped garlic, 2 chopped green chillies. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 2 medium-sized chopped tomato. Mix it well. Add 3 by 4 teaspoons salt and mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 by 4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Mix it for 1 to 2 minutes. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder. Add half cup of water and slightly grind it. Now for final mixture, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon dal. Mix it well and cook until it turns golden color. Add 2 dry red chillies, also 5 to 6 curry leaves, and cook for 1 minute. Now add previously prepared grinded paste and mix well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Switch off the flame. Our easy tomato chutney is ready. We can transfer it into a serving dish.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.